Hi, I'm Brian. Welcome to the shop. Uh, just doing a quick video today. If you look at my channel, you'll probably notice I put a couple of videos out a couple of months ago and then kind of disappeared. So I just wanted to throw out a quick update, kind of explain that, and go from there. So the explanation is we had storm damage to our house this year. It wasn't major storm damage, but we had a leak in the roof, which leaked into our mechanical closet, which caused damage to the floor and ceiling in there, which caused damage to our furnace HVAC system in there, which meant that we had to get a new roof, including some decking replaced. We had to get the floor and ceiling in the mechanical closet replaced and repaired. We replaced the HVAC system. And the reason this is relevant is because all of that exists here in my garage. So all of my stuff from my shop all had to get moved around and repositioned and allow contractors in and out of here, and a lot of work to be done. In the process, we went ahead and upgraded the power for my house. This is an older house built in the early 80s. It only had a 100 amp circuit. And for those of you that know, that's way underpowered for what I'm doing now. So we had that upgraded for the whole house. And all of that is now done. New roof, gutters, the room's fixed, new HVAC, more power, all that kind of stuff. Fortunately for us, our house insurance, homeowners insurance, covered the bulk of that. So that really helped us out. That allowed us to kind of shift our budget a little. And that's allowed me to go ahead and do some upgrades for the shop that I didn't think I was going to be able to do for a while. Matter of fact, you can see some of the upgrades here in the camera shot. So, but all of that's done. We are back in the shop. I am currently working on some upgraded cabinets for out here, and I am going to begin filming again. Hopefully will be much better audio quality going forward with some another piece of equipment I just bought. So I don't know what my cadence will be. I know it won't be every day. I still have a day job that I have to work, and that takes a good part of my time. Plus, you know, I'm a homeowner, I'm a husband, I'm a father, so all that stuff comes into play too. So I don't know the cadence. I'm hoping to do every other week, maybe more frequently as things allow. I'm also, along with starting a business, starting the woodworking, I'm learning YouTube. I'm learning video editing. I'm learning audio stuff. I'm trying to learn all of this stuff all at one time. And the big thing, I think, I'm also learning patience. Patience with myself, patience with the world at large. So that's a learning curve in and of itself. So I ask for your patience as we get up and running. I do want to kind of document some of the stuff I do out here. I will be finishing a cabinet top, and I've got to start building drawers and getting them installed for out here. I will also be filming projects that I'm going to be putting on our website, products to sell through the website. And if you guys have any suggestions of what you would like to see a 50-something beginning woodworker business owner do, throw them in the comments, and we'll see what comes up. Always looking for ideas. But yeah, we've done some upgrades. The wife has also done some upgrades, and so you may see some of her stuff appear in videos from time to time. And on our website, of course, which you can always check us out on the web, ozarkscrimworks.com. And yeah, I think that's about it for today. Just wanted to say hi. I'm still here, and we'll be back soon. So until then, be good to each other. Have a good day, and we'll see you in the next one.